knock me down, give me more, it's never enough. Look up, love struck, trying to get my courage up. This is only starting for us. I said, oh, how you gonna make me lose control like that? I said, oh, go on, and just like that, you're giving me a good feeling. Something about you pulls me in. I get a good feeling. You're getting underneath my skin. You're giving me a good feeling. Take me to a place I've never been. I get a good feeling. A good, good feeling. Woo! Like the taste of your lips from a strawberry kiss, do it over and over again. I get a good feeling. A good, good feeling. New highs, bright lights, take me with you in the night. I'm just gonna let you decide. 'Cause where we end up doesn't matter, as long as I'm there with you. I said, oh, how you gonna make me lose control like that? I said, oh, go on and just like that, you're giving me a good feeling. Take me to a place I've never been. I get a good feeling. A good, good feeling. Woo! A good, good feeling. Like the taste of your lips from a strawberry kiss, do it over and over again. I get a good feeling. A good, good feeling. Yes, I do. I get a good feeling.
There was a time I used to look into my father's eyes. In a happy home, I was a king, I had a golden throne. Those days are gone, now the memories on the wall. I hear the songs from the places where I was born. Upon that hill across the blue lake, that's where I had my first heartbreak. I still remember how it all changed. My father said, don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you. Don't you worry now. Yeah.
These stories started here in the UK, which is why they're here today. But the love you guys gave these three guys. So for the last time ever in the UK, Milton Keynes, make some noise. The Swedish House Mafia.
Don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you. Don't you worry now. Yeah. There was a time I met a girl of a different kind. We ruled the world. I thought I'd never lose her outside. We were so young. I think of her now and then. I still hear the songs reminding me of a friend. Upon a hill across the blue lake, that's where I had my first heartbreak.
so much for coming down and making this the best show of our lives.